simple pathway sa gilid ng bahay. So may garden ka, tapos ito yung backyard, very lush. And then you really get to appreciate the neighborhood. Again, you're in Venare, Nuvali. So if you guys are familiar with this area, it's an exclusive subdivision, very beautiful. Ang ganda pa ng ecosystem dito. And it's so safe, you don't even need a gate. So if you're curious, as you should be, make sure you watch the full house tour. First thing you'll notice about this house, apart from the fact na siya lang yung nag-iisa ngayon in this particular area, obviously it's gonna get filled eventually, but the first thing that I noticed was the fact na walang gate. We are in Venare, Nuvali, so it's an exclusive subdivision, very beautiful area, very exclusive, and yeah, at least you get to build or you get to have houses like this na hindi na kailangan ng mga gate. So from the driveway, you have a actually, it depends on what kind of vehicle you have, but you can fit around two, including the driveway here. You have access to the side of your house on the right side, which will also lead you to the service area. Mamaya na natin tignan yan. And then you have a pathway on the left side, again going around your house. But for now, we are going to go through the main entrance. You have beautiful steps leading up to your solid wooden door with a digital door lock. So let's go in. Ooh, wow. Floor is very clean. I'm sorry, it's gonna get a little squeaky. Very squeaky. So we have your open area for your living, dining, and your kitchen. Your living area, it's double height ceiling, so it's very high ceiling. And then you have a corner window over here that lets in so much natural light. You have several fixed glass panels, pero itong dalawang to pwedeng buksan. And then medyo overlooking siya later from the second floor. And then over here, you have your dining area. You have windows on this side of the wall. And then accordion or sliding glass panels that will lead you to your outdoor deck or your lanai as well as your backyard. So yeah, meron kang garden dyan sa kantong yan. Love it. And since, again, we are in a very nice area here in Nuvali, apart from your garden, you see skies. So we have a lovely chandelier here, and clearly this is the area meant for your dining table. You can comfortably fit a 6 or 8 seater dining setup right here. And then right in front of that, you have your kitchen. You have a bar over here with storage on this side, and then an L-shaped counter with your built-in stove, your range, and then your sink. And then on this side, yung more storage, of course, and then you're built-in for your oven, your microwave, and then provision for your refrigerator. By the way, this is only about 95% done. So kung nagtataka kayo bakit may mga plastic pa or meron pa exposed pa yung mga abang, it's because it's almost done. But hey, at least you know it's brand new. From your kitchen, you have a door that will lead us back out to the side of your house. Again, your service area. So this also leads to the staff quarters with an ensuite, as well as storage room, etc. So ayan. And then pag tinunod natin naman sa dulo, you're gonna end up back in the backyard. Lovely surface. Oh, meron ng built-in rice dispenser. Love that. Love that. I love rice. Okay, so before we head up the second floor, wait lang. Oh, sliding! Oh, that's cute. So you have a sliding door that leads to your guest-accessible powder room with your sink and your toilet. Tapos madami pa siyang counter space, ha? That is cute. Huh? Bubuksan ko yung pinto? Sige ba? May surprise ba? Huh? Paano surprise? Oh. Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Oo nga, I would have missed this kung hindi ako pinalabas. So one of the bedrooms here is One of the bedrooms is here on the ground floor. Ang ganda nito ah. It's actually tile siya. Akala ko wallpaper. It's tile, so it's easy to maintain. Thank you for pointing this out. So again, this is your bed area. This it's basically a square room. Na itong side na to puro glass that pierced over your backyard. And then it has an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your enclosed shower space, and then your toilet. So ang ganda kasi, apart from being a guest bedroom, in the future, if you need it to be the primary bedroom for, or maybe for the elderly, at least it's here on the ground floor. Okay, let's go back in. Alright, so before we head up the second floor, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more houses here in Nuvali, or maybe just the South area in general, make sure you head on over to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Solid wooden stairs and a solid handle against white. Very clean looking. Lovely breeze coming in from the window. Okay, everything so far looks very sleek, including the handrails, etc., but they still have character. And then the light switches, very modern. Satisfying click. Oh, okay. And then over here, we have a, it's up to you, you can turn it into an office. I think ideally maganda siyang office just because you have a gorgeous view of your neighborhood. You have a corner window. Tapos yung view mo is just a tree in front of you na, by the way, may bunga. Ang ganda yung flowers, so sana kita. Then you can open this side as well as two of the panels on this side. And then siguro magandang setup is you have a desk, work desk over here, station, etc. And then yung printer, if you guys still use printers. I mean, I do. And then on this side, you have a wide hallway, as well as an area where you can peer over your living area. So this is the double height ceiling of the living room. So over here, we have 3 doors. Let's open this one first. So this is bedroom number 2. Generally a square room with high ceiling. You have an abang for a main light here in the center. Is there cove lighting? Hold on. So I don't know yet. Kasi nga, hindi pa tapos yung bahay eh. So there might be cove lighting up there. And then you have pin lights. Again, essentially a square room, although there is this area that would be nice for either wardrobe, storage, or a desk. And then over here, you have your own suite. Toilet and bath. Hi, buddy. There's a little lizard. And then you have your shower area, your toilet, and then your sink. Still have high ceiling, and then you have an awning window for ventilation. Wala nang exhaust kasi high ceiling naman, kasi nga may awning naman. Awning window. And then over here, we have bedroom number 3. Please excuse the boxes again, still being house is still under construction. But I do want to point out the floor. Again, you have construction dust and everything, but the floor is really nice and it's seamless going to the hallway and essentially the entire floor. Then over here, you have your ensuite, toilet and bath. With your shower area, again, your toilet, and then your sink. Yung sink, iba na yung shape. Kanina rectangle, ngayon it's a square with rounded edges. Tapos ito may exhaust kasi wala siyang window. That is the abang for a CCTV. And then over here we have the primary bedroom. Again, you have high ceiling, possibly cove lighting. At least there's a cove. And then you have pin lights, and then more abang for lighting solutions. I'm going to guess that the idea for this room is dito yung kama, which can fit a queen-sized bed. Actually, king pa if you want, but if you don't want the bed going or spilling over by the windows, it's gonna be a queen-sized bed. And then you can have drop lights on either side, right above your end tables. Lots of outlets. Then you have windows over here with a, oh my gosh, look at that view. It's like rolling hills, tapos mga puno, ang ganda ng puno. And then again, the flowers on the trees. What a beautiful neighborhood. And then over here, you have a hallway for your walk-through closet. So lots of space for wardrobe solutions. And then, ooh, you have your own suite, toilet and bath right here. With your toilet, your shower space. Yung shower space mo, iba yung tiles compared to the rest of the bathroom. Wala pa yung glass. Again, this is about 95% done, so hindi pa siya naka-install. Or baka hindi install. I'm gonna have to find out later on. And then you have your sink over here, massive sink by the way. And then a bathtub jacuzzi that can fit 2 people. I also really appreciate that the windows are higher up so it gives you privacy. Hindi kayo magkakakita anong kapitbahay nyo, but you still have a view of the sky. Literally, yung view ko ngayon, it's one really big cloud and it's framed perfectly by these windows. Ang ganda. Okay, so that is it for the house itself. So before we do a recap, please indulge yourselves with these beautiful B-rolls. Actually, this house, again, hindi pa siya tapos, but it's also ready for solar power or solar panels. So if ever install, does it come like with the solar panels? It does, hindi pa lang na-install. Okay, all right, so you have 264 square meters for your lot area and then around 285 square meters for your floor area. 4 bedrooms, a 2-vehicle carport that is open. And then you have an office area or multi-use area on the 2nd floor by the corner with a view of your beautiful neighborhood. And again, this is in Venare, Nuvali. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, make sure you send this video to them. Or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you want to see more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our Build Your Owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed,